Here are the top 5 ways staff augmentation through Slingr can help tech companies. 1. Increase scalability. Staff Aug enables tech companies to quickly and easily scale their workforce up or down as business needs change. This can help them respond more quickly to market demands and stay more competitive. Number 2. Access to specialized skills. Staff Aug can provide tech companies with access to specialized skills and expertise that may not be available in-house. This can help them take on more complex projects and develop innovative solutions. 3. Cost savings. Staff Aug can help tech companies reduce costs by avoiding the need to hire full-time employees for short-term projects or to fill skill gaps. This can help them stay within budget and optimize their resources. Number 4. Faster time to market. Staff Aug can help tech companies accelerate product development by providing them with additional resources and expertise. This can help them bring new products and services to market more quickly, improving their competitive position. Number 5, improve workforce diversity. Staff Aug can help tech companies build a more diverse and inclusive workforce by tapping into a broader pool of talent. This can help them better understand and serve diverse customer needs, as well as improve their innovation and creativity. Fill out the form to receive our team-based staffing for enterprise report for free today.